When it comes to dark spots, medyo marami na ang nagbagong information na available sa atin. Hindi na lang siya basta-bastang niacinamide serum lang and marami pang iba't ibang mga factors na dapat nating i-consider. But if you just want a dark spot serum na magiging sure ka talaga na align sa information na to and effective siya sa dark spots mo, then here are the best ones to get. Hi everyone! Mag-uusap na naman tayo about skincare, specifically about our updated list for the best products for dark spots. And I think so far, ito na ang pinaka-scientifically aligned and accurate na list natin because this past year, sobrang dami kong bagong natutunan about our dark spots after kong ma-expose not just to dermatologists but also to product formulators and even product developers ng iba't ibang mga skincare products. So aside from listing down the best dark spot serum sa video na to, also do expect na maging updated din sa bagong information on how we can more effectively treat and fade yung mga dark spots natin. And with that being said, wala nang any, let's begin. Now, as per usual, inorganize ko na yung mga dark spot serums natin into 3 different budget levels, starting with our first budget level. This is for those na maraming budget. And sa budget level na to, I've updated it based on not just the newest information sa dark spots, but also based on practicality na mga bumibili sa budget level na to. In short, hindi naman OA sa mahal and meron pa ring value for money para hindi naman sayang yung malaking budget ninyo. Starting with our first option for those na gustong medyo maging updated sila sa latest technology on fading dark spots, and kung medyo updated din kayo sa Western skincare, you guys know that one of the top options to get in the market right now is from the French brand La Roche-Posay, particularly yung Mela B3 serum nila. But number 1, hindi siya widely available sa Pilipinas. Medyo pahirapan yung pagkuha ng product na to. Kahit online mo siya tingnan, halos fake lang yung makikita mo sa Lazada and sa Shopee. And number 2, even if you do find the authentic one, if I'm not mistaken, yung price range niya is somewhere in between 2,500 to 3,000 pesos already for just 130 ml bottle. So parang medyo hindi siya practical unless sobrang yaman mo. And dito pumapasok yung first option natin, which is the 2024 version of the L'Oréal Paris Glycolic Bright Instant Glowing Serum. Now for those of you who don't know, yung La Roche-Posay na brand is actually under L'Oréal Group, kaya meron talaga silang mga similar products with similar ingredients. And particularly sa Pilipinas, wala man tayong La Roche-Posay Mela B3 na serum, but at least in-update naman ni L'Oréal yung formulation nito to be very similar to that. So at least meron tayong version dito. Kaya talaga from a serum na honestly hindi ko masyadong pinapansin dati, this really made it to the top of this list kasi talaga ang gandang innovation ng dark spot ingredient niya na Melasil. So for those na hindi masyadong familiar kung ano ba yung Melasil, basically it's the nickname or parang trademark name ni L'Oréal for a specific ingredient that's called 2-mercaptonicotinoyl glycine. And don't worry, hindi nyo kailangang i-memorize yun. And what Melasil basically does is tina-target niya yung mga specific compounds na kailangan ng skin natin na nagproproduce ng dark pigment or ng dark spot para hindi siya mag-overproduce ng dark pigment na to compared to ibang mga products na sinastop talaga nila entirely yung production ng dark pigment. So ang benefit nito is kahit ilagay mo siya sa buong face mo, hindi mo na kailangang mag-worry na baka maging hindi pantay yung skin tone, let's say ng face mo versus sa neck mo versus sa body mo, kasi yung ingredient naman na Melasil, selective lang yung tina-target niya. And also, yung excess pigment lang yung tina-target niya. So if anything, mas lalo pang ang papantay yung skin tone mo. So not only do we have that 0.5% Melasil sa product na to, but we also do have a smaller amount of glycolic acid, probably around 0.5% to 1%. Not so high, pero pwede na rin siyang pang daily use na amount. So that leaves us with around 6 to 7% of niacinamide. And take note guys, educated guess lang to based on the total 8% na nilagay nila dito sa label, and also yung mga previous releases and data ni L'Oréal na available to the public. Kunyari, yung amount of glycolic acid na nasa previous version ng serum na to. And this is another reason na actually bakit ang ganda ng upgrade ng serum na to, kasi each layer ng skin na dumadaan yung dark spot, natatamaan or natatarget talaga niya. Starting with Melasil, which targets the deeper layer, and then si niacinamide yung nasa gitna, preventing yung pigment from reaching the top layer of the skin, and it also targets the inflammation ng skin. And then finally, si glycolic acid yung nagtatarget sa pinaka-upper layer ng skin kapag meron ng mga pigment na umakyat talaga dun sa top layer. And kahit na around 1% or less yung glycolic acid dito, I did ask a dermatologist about this kasi ako talaga dati, hindi ako gumagamit ng glycolic products kapag less than 3 to 5%. And basically, their reply was yung 1% or a little bit less than that is more of a daily dose since this is meant to be a daily serum. Which makes sense kasi diba yung iba namang mga AHA serums or glycolic acid serums na let's say 3 to 5% or 7% or even higher, usually a few times a week mo lang sila ginagamit. So ito daw, binabaan nila para mas magawa mo siyang serum that would be gentle enough on your skin to be used every day. In fact, in my opinion, the 1% glycolic acid added to the hydrating feel of the serum, lalo na water gel consistency siya that easily absorbs onto the skin and feels very, very comfortable after applying. Siguro ang possible con lang na masasabi ko dito could be yung fragrance niya. Though, hindi naman siya malakas and hindi naman siya sobrang naglilinger sa skin. Medyo notable talaga siya given na meron siyang higher than usual amount of niacinamide. As someone na medyo mas nagiging sensitive lately, yun lang yung kinakatakutan ko. But so far, okay pa naman yung experience ko sa serum na to. I would just recommend more sensitive skin types, especially those na medyo mas sensitive sa fragrance, to be careful as in i-patch test nyo muna siya. But if ayaw mo talaga ng fragrance in your skincare products, for this price range, meron pa rin naman tayong isa pang okay na option and actually medyo overlooked yung product na to recently in favor of maybe newer releases sa skincare scene natin. Pero feel ko, solid option pa rin to from a brand na matagal nang reliable. The brand I'm talking about is none other than Good Molecules and this is one of my favorite products from them, their Niacinamide Brightening Toner. Now like I've mentioned, almost back nung 2021 pa pala nung first time kong pinag-usapan yung product na to, yes, this is a niacinamide toner pero functionally, it's as good as an all-around brightening serum based sa ingredients niya. And just to remind those na medyo nakalimot na sa ingredients nito, yes, this does have, of course, niacinamide at 3%, which pasok pa rin yun for dark spots and yung anti-inflammatory properties of niacinamide. This also has 2% arbutin, which as you guys know is one of the best ingredients to pair with niacinamide, especially kapag dark spots yung concern. And it's also a classic, well-researched ingredient pati na target yung enzymes ng skin natin na nagkukos ng formation ng dark spots. And aside from that, meron din tong licorice root extract, which is one of the best plant extracts na magagamit mo for dark spots. Plus, fragrance-free pa siya, which makes it a solid option sa mga maraming sensitivity sa skin. And syempre, dahil toner form siya, mas marami kang product na makukuha talaga and mas lightweight and easily absorbent pa siya sa skin. Parang water lang yung texture, honestly. And for me, my favorite part about this product is kahit ano pang active yung gamitin mo with it, makukomplement talaga niya. As in, mapa-vitamin C serum, retinol, even I would say my acne medications, kaya ko siyang i-layer with this product. So, all-arounder talaga siya and in my opinion, really one of Good Molecules' best releases and best products up to this day. Pero if ang budget mo is just around 500 pesos, don't worry because meron pa rin tayong mga options for that na surprisingly more accessible and in a way, parang mas reliable pa nga both in ingredients and in availability. So, let's look at our options kapag medyo may budget ka lang. So, let's start with my most used brightening serum in my current rotation kasi rin ito yung pinaka-available sa mga Watsons and SM department stores kaya lagi ko siya nagagamit. Hindi ako nauubusan nito ng stock and I hope ganun pa rin siya kahit i-share ko na to sa inyo. Pero actually, na-share ko naman na siya sa mga previous videos ko if you've seen them and this is the YOU Radiance Up Antioxidant Serum. Now, sa mga regular na nanonood, as you guys might have already seen, this is currently yung serum na ginagamit ko doon sa anti-breakout plus anti-dark spot na routine ko that I actually posted a few weeks ago. So if you want a more in-depth review ng serum na to or kung gusto mo siya makita in action on my skin, then you can check out yung video na yun. Instead, ilalagay ko na lang sa I button. Now, for me, isa talaga sa mga pinaka-available lagi na brand si YOU and while hindi lahat ng skincare nila gusto ko, pag meron ako nagugustuhan sa kanila na product, it's really very well done. So for example, itong serum nila, on point yung percentage ng niacinamide niya at 5%, but it also does have SymWhite 377, which is another newly introduced ingredient for dark spots na medyo sumisikat din ngayon and baka makita nyo rin in other skincare products. So for those na medyo curious sa ingredient na to, yung SymWhite 377 is also known as phenylethyl resorcinol and medyo similar yung mechanism niya kay kojic acid and kay arbutin. But the difference is, like with newer brightening ingredients, ingredients. Unang-una, mas stable siya and less potentially irritating sa skin, especially since, again, you only need a small percentage of this new ingredient para makuha mo yung max effect niya. So in the case of Sim White, 0.5% lang din yung kailangan mo. And probably dahil nga 0.5% lang yung kailangan mo, it's possible na mas madali to formulate products with it. So baka yun din yung reason kung bakit dumadami na rin sobra yung mga Sim White products natin sa market, from mga serums to moisturizers as well. Actually, before nga sinunod ko yung video na to, ni-research ko muna kung ano-ano sila lahat. As in, ano yung mga products na merong Sim White, from serums to moisturizers. And nakita ko na mukhang yung FDA notified lang are itong kay YOU, yung kay Skintific, and yung kay Glad to Glow. Now, the reason why I chose itong kay YOU is mainly because yung kay Skintific and yung kay Glad to Glow, hindi ko pa sila natatry. So, I can't necessarily recommend them kasi nga hindi ko pa naman nagagamit yung product. But also due to the fact na medyo mas accessible din si YOU both in physical and online stores. So, mas ito talaga yung choice ko. Siguro yung parang pinaka-con na lang na masasabi ko about this product are the citrus extracts. Not my favorite thing, lalo na isang dark spot serum to. So, my advice for those people who want to use this na medyo may mga sensitivities din, gamitin nyo na lang siya sa nighttime routine ninyo rather than sa morning routine ninyo, just to avoid any complications with citrus extracts and being exposed to sunlight. And again, pro tip lang for those who want to buy this serum, I highly suggest to check online because mas mura talaga yung presyo niya. Siguro dahil mas nagsisale online, but either way, usually online talaga, 400 to 500 peso price range lang to versus yung nasa mall or nasa mga department stores na yung regular price nila lagi around 700 pesos siya. If I'm not mistaken, parang around 800 pesos na nga kasi 799 ata yung last na nakita ko. So, ang laki rin talaga na matitipid mo if bilhin mo to online instead. And if you do need shop links to the legit and authentic stores of YOU, as usual, ililink ko na lang sila sa baba para hindi nyo na kailangang hanapin. Now, another really good dark spot serum na mahanap mo sa Watsons is actually one na baliktad naman siya. Kung kanina, mas madali siya bilhin online or mas mura siya bilhin online. Ito naman, mas mabibili mo siya sa store kasi parang out of stock siya lagi online. But still, this is a really good serum option, especially if you want to incorporate azelaic acid into your brightening routine. And this product is from the brand Revox B77 and it's their anti-dark spot serum. So very interesting yung serum na to because surprisingly, alpha-arbutin is second sa ingredients list niya just after water, meaning probably significant talaga yung amount na nilagay nila rito. And it's probably the highest percentage na active nila. So again, educated guess lang based sa mga usual na nilalagay ng mga brands, probably maybe around 2 to 3% ng alpha-arbutin yung nilagay nila is my guess. Then right after kasi sa ingredients list nila is niacinamide, which ang duda ko naman might be around 2%. Okay pa rin naman na percentage yon for dark spots. Meanwhile, fifth on the ingredients list is actually stabilized vitamin C in the form of sodium ascorbyl phosphate. And that has some brightening properties and even some antioxidant properties to help na ma-boost yung sunscreen mo. But it's also a good type of vitamin C na supporting ingredient for acne-prone skin. And speaking of acne-prone skin, this also does have smaller amounts of azelaic acid and salicylic acid, which are great ingredients for oily skin. But even small amounts of AHAs like glycolic acid, citric acid, and malic acid, which all work on the top layer of the skin and nakatulong din sila sa mga dark spots. Now, this does have fragrance pero on the very end siya ng listahan. Plus, in my experience, very subtle lang siya and nawawala din. I think sa lahat ng mga fragrance na products in this video, ito na probably yung best and napaka-subtle lang ng fragrance. May mga times nga na hindi ko pa napapansin. And in a way, that also contributes sa pagiging comfortable ng product na to pag ginamit mo siya. It's a very standard watery serum na madaling i-spread sa skin and it actually sets onto a non-shiny finish na dry touch. So, very satisfying siya talagang ilagay sa skin. And because of that and yung mix of ingredients niya, I would say this is a really good option for oily, acne-prone skin na merong marks. Actually, ito dapat yung main serum ko na gusto kong gamitin in my skincare routine. Pero hirap lang talaga akong hanapin siya kasi online ako bumibili. Again, baka matsambahan niyo siya. I'll put the link in the description box just in case maging available siya. Pero kung wala, you can always try your luck sa mga physical Watsons stores. Meron sila sa mga selected branches. Same price lang naman sila usually, 499 pesos for 30 ml. Well worth it naman in my opinion for the quality of the formulation na makukuha mo. And now moving on to another option sa listahan natin na available din sa mga Watsons and SM department stores this one is top recommendation ko naman siya for those na at one point nanggaling sa mga Kojic products before and curious sila how it can be for mga dark spots because ito, hindi siya Kojic soap but it's an actual Kojic acid serum with niacinamide. And I think this might be the only one of its kind sa market ngayon and kanino pa ba siya manggagaling if not, of course, the brand Kojisan, and this is their Skin Lightening Super Serum. And for me, honestly, about time na talaga na nagkaganito tayo na product, especially since ang daming tao kapag gusto nila ng Kojic, soap pa rin yung ginagamit nila. And according kasi sa mga dermatologists, sinasabi nila na actually okay naman na ingredient ang Kojic acid, especially for dark spots. It's just that for dark spots or dark areas ng katawan natin, better yung mga leave-on products kesa sa yung mga sabon na ibababad mo pa sa katawan mo. And the reason being, yung mga lotions kasi or even yung mga serums like this, less chances sila for irritation and they can even hydrate or moisturize your skin in a way which is great for your skin barrier. And another important factor din yon for fading dark spots or dark areas sa katawan natin. And now moving on to the ingredients, aside from of course yung Kojic acid na mention ko nga, meron din tong niacinamide high up on the ingredients list, even higher than Kojic acid, which makes it a good combination again since niacinamide targets yung inflammation sa skin natin, also prevents yung dark pigment from going sa upper layer ng skin natin. Meanwhile, Kojic acid targets yung deeper part ng pigment formation ng skin natin, meaning yung paggawa pa lang ng dark pigment, pinipigilan yan na. Now, masasabi ko lang na con dito is medyo fragrance talaga siya, as in medyo fragrance talaga siya. As in, medyo similar yung amoy niya from what you would smell in other Kojisan products. So again, for very sensitive skin types, I highly recommend na i-patch test muna to. Buti na lang meron si Kojisan na smaller sachet version of this one. So you can see first kung okay ba yung reaction ng skin ninyo and not spend so much money kung hindi naman. Pero actually, mostly yun na yung con niya for me kasi texture-wise naman, this feels very comfortable on the skin. Standard gel serum siya that melts onto a watery feel and very quickly absorbs onto the skin. And dahil local brand nga si Kojisan, syempre, lagi ko sinasabi to, alam na nila yung type of texture na gustong-gusto talaga nating mga Pinoy for our hot and humid weather. So, I don't expect any less from this brand, as in, kuwang-kuwa talaga nila. Price-wise naman, similar range lang siya as our other products. Tumaas lang by 50 pesos because 549 pesos to. Honestly, I wish it was a little bit lower, pero ako kasi kung effective naman, why not? Diba? Pero if ang budget mo now is 200 to 300 lang talaga, don't worry guys because meron pa tayong options in our final budget level. Ang favorite ng marami sa inyo, this is for those na nagtitipid or may drugstore budget. So let's start with yung top option ko that I've been talking about since 2021. I'm sure sa mga matagal nang nanonood. Again, alam nyo na to. Ang binabalik-balikan kong local serum, this is from one of my favorite local brands, Soul Apothecary, and it's their Radiance Boost Serum. Nako, parang countless times ko na ata talaga to na pag-usapan and this is still, surprisingly, one of the most reliable dark spot serums from a local brand today. Some have come close, pero ito pa rin talaga yung spot on. And even with the updated information on fading dark spots, pasok na pasok pa rin talaga yung mga brightening ingredients nito because it has the ever-reliable combination of 5% niacinamide and 2% alpha-arbutin. Aside from that, it also has the very unique and medyo mahirap i-pronounce na undecillinoyl phenylalanine, which very interestingly, tina-target niya yung dark spot at an even earlier stage compared kay alpha-arbutin and Kojic acid by blocking the receptor na nagsisignal sa katawan natin to produce yung dark pigment in the first place. Which means, another layer na naman yon of protection and helping prevent dark spots from becoming even darker, and perfect siya to complement yung ginagawa ni alpha-arbutin and ni niacinamide at different stages ng pag-form ng isang dark spot. And in fairness kay Soul Apothecary, parang sila pa lang yung alam kong may ganito, kaya talaga ito pa rin yung top option ko from a local and independent brand and my recommendation regardless of your skin type kasi talaga sobrang A+ na serum siya for me na fragrance-free pa and just feels very comfortable on your skin. And if you do want to see this in action or yung nilalagay ko siya sa skin ko, again, ilang videos na, as in sobrang dami ko ng videos na ginagawa with this product. So I'll just lead you guys to to the skincare routine wherein ginamit ko to. That's the video on treating and concealing acne marks. Check nyo lang siya sa I button. Alright, and kung si Sol Apothecary pa rin ang nasa top, actually meron ding consistent second placer next to it because this is also not the first time na minention ko yung product na to. In fact, mukhang ilang beses ko na rin siya na mention yung brand na to. But this is by far the most affordable product in this entire list. So kung gusto mo talaga yung pinakamura, eto na talaga yon. This is from the brand Dermo Republic and it's their Dark Spot Toner and Dark Spot Serum. Na actually ito, kame-mention ko lang din sila sa video ko as alternatives doon sa Breakout plus Dark Spot na routine ko. And okay na okay din talaga siya because pag sales season, hindi lumalagpas sa 300 pesos yung mga products na to. Laging 200 plus lang, which is amazing value for products like these. Now, Dermo Republic actually has multiple dark spot lightening products and more or less similar formulation naman sila. Medyo may konting difference lang doon sa mga percentages ng ilang mga actives, pero pasok naman lahat to target dark spots to a certain extent. Generally, all of them have niacinamide, arbutin, and licorice root extract, which is the same case sa dalawang products na to, although magkaibang mga percentages lang sila. So itong si serum nila is 2% alpha-arbutin and 5% niacinamide if I'm not mistaken, and meron din siyang licorice root extract. Meanwhile, ito namang toner nila, if I'm not mistaken, this has 2% alpha-arbutin, 2% niacinamide, and 3% ng tranexamic acid, which hindi pa gaano kalakas yung evidence niya on dark spots, pero welcome addition din naman siya nonetheless. And also, I did forget to mention, yung licorice root extract dito sa toner, medyo mas mataas siya sa ingredients list. Now, both of these are actually really good products for dark spots, but just to help you guys choose, kung gusto niyo talaga yung pinaka-sulit and pinaka-lightweight, I would recommend itong spray toner nila kasi 100 ml na siya for under 300 pesos. And especially if convenient sa inyo yung ganitong mist type, perfect talaga siya. Even for the body, madali siyang gamitin. Meanwhile, if you want a more hydrating product na may higher percentage of niacinamide pero hindi yung sobrang irritating, if I'm not mistaken, 5% yung meron nila dito sa 2% alpha-arbutin plus niacinamide plus HA Dark Spot Corrector Serum nila. Now, just a quick texture comparison between these two products. Of course, if you want yung pinakamadaling i-apply, go for the mist. But the serum form is not bad also. Standard watery serum siya that has a hydrating feel for a few minutes after i-apply mo sa skin. Pero nawawala rin naman as the product sets onto your skin to a natural finish. And again, this is another really good reco for all skin types because sobrang comfortable lang talaga ang paglagay niya sa skin and it doesn't come in conflict with different skin types and skin conditions, especially since fragrance-free din to. Siguro masasabi ko lang na con about these products are probably hindi sila available sa Watsons. Pero widely available naman si Dermo Republic online, sa Shopee, sa Lazada, even sa TikTok shop mabibili mo siya. So kung gusto niyo siyang mahagilap, madali lang din naman. And again, I will be putting the links to the legit online stores of these products in the description box along with all the other products na minention ko sa video na to. And again guys, reminder lang, before kayo ma-excite sa mga dark spot serums na to, I need you first to remember na ang pag-eliminate ng dark spots is hindi natatapos sa serum lang because isang factor lang yun. Kung first and foremost, hindi kayo nagsa-sunscreen, walang bisa rin ang kahit anumang dark spot serum, mahihirapan ka lang din i-fade siya compared sa kung nagsa-sunscreen ka naman. So remember, always use your sunscreen, and if kailangan nyo ng recommendations na very lightweight on the skin, I do have a video of my current favorites under 500 pesos lang. Pero kung gusto nyo naman ng mga options na good na for the face and the body at the same time, I also do have a new video about that. So as usual guys, thank you so much for watching, and as usual, I will see you in the next video. Bye!